So SmartViz helps building owners and operators boost the performance of their buildings and assets. We do this by using data analytics within a digital twin environment, which shows in real time how the building is performing, which spaces are working well, which spaces are not working well. Think of SmartViz as this intelligent cognitive layer on a digital twin. So at the simplest level, iTwin provided that core digital twin framework, the components, the platform, but its real power came from the fact that it's integrated with Azure Cloud and with IoT Hub and Azure Maps, which means we can integrate directly SmartViz to the 3D BIM model as well as the sensors and the network that we are relying for our data streaming.
So I'm a new user to iTwin platform. Having said this, it was really easy to program. And now that I'm using it, I see several benefits. We get our 3D model of the building to iTwin platform. Then we have our sensors installed into the buildings. Once we do that, we can simply connect the real-time sensor data to our digital model. And this is where the magic happens basically, because what SmartViz need is a scalable digital twin platform, because our data that comes from sensor are constantly growing. We keep the track of what has happened a year ago or 2 years ago. And we also predict what will happen in the future. And this is where iTwin provides its robust functionality to us. iTwin platform does provide great JavaScript library. It's really easy to program. You can get your model through iTwin platform using several APIs in a matter of minutes. And once you are there, you can use several other APIs to synchronize your data from sensors or from connected to IoT Hub, etc. Visualization API helps us to build a really good looking 3D model. We can hide the building categories, or also we can adjust the transparency of the building objects that allows user to see what's actually in the inside of the building. So this asynchronization API comes into play, and it really helps us to get our updated model to our iTwin platform quickly. There is this data management API. As I said, like we have sensors installed and the data is continuously flowing from it. And we need this data management real-time data API is for synchronizing or connecting this on-site sensors to our digital twin application. As a developer, I would say I found iTwin documentation really easy to read and easy to follow. You can also follow their YouTube channel, which has several videos how to get started about iTwin. The Bentley website, you could also find that there are several accreditation courses for iTwin platform.
I think the big picture value that iTwin provided SmartViz was that speed and reliability, and so that SmartViz could focus on that intelligent layer. The main focus for SmartViz now is on the existing assets, helping our clients to get closer to the net zero goals, helping them implement hybrid working, and generally boost the performance of their buildings.